In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify an order on MetaTrader 5. This process is straightforward once you know where to look, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident in managing your trades effectively. Whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for a while, it's crucial to understand this aspect of trading in MetaTrader 5 so you can optimize your strategies and make adjustments as needed. First, let's direct our attention to the toolbox at the bottom of your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is where you'll find a wealth of information about your trading activities. Within this space, you'll notice several tabs. If you haven't explored the toolbox much before, it's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's essentially the control center for all your open orders and trading history. Now, it's time to locate the order you'd like to modify. Here, you need to be attentive to the details, as this section will display all your current orders. Look through the list and ensure you're selecting the correct one. You'll find valuable information on each order here, such as the time it was placed, the symbol, the volume, and other specifics. This information will be crucial to confirm you're about to perform actions on the right trade. Once you've zeroed in on the order you wish to modify, you'll want to take your mouse and right-click directly on it. This right-click function opens up a context menu that lists several options tailored to your order. It's a handy feature that provides quick access to essential functions, eliminating the need to browse through menus at the top of your screen. Take your time to ensure you're on the correct order before proceeding, as this step is pivotal. You'll see an option labeled Modify or Delete among the choices in this context menu. Select Modify or Delete. This selected option will open up a new window dedicated to the specifics of the order modification. Here, you'll have the opportunity to alter essential parameters like stop loss and take profit levels. You might even find occasions where you need to adjust the volume, depending on your trading strategy and market conditions. That's all there is to it. Carefully review any changes you've made to avoid any unintended modifications, as these can influence your trading outcomes. Once satisfied with your edits, confirm your changes and your order will be updated immediately. And there you have it. Modifying an order on MetaTrader 5 is a vital skill for any trader aiming to maximize the effectiveness of their strategies. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other features within the platform to fully leverage its capabilities for your trading needs.